I chopped up some white mushrooms. And I have about 2 cups canola. And that color, sun-dried tomatoes. Normally I hit pause. This is going to take a while. I can't wait to see how much it reduces down. It was about 2 inches over the top of the pan. More than an hour. Whoa, look at that. That is amazing. Come to my channel because I try to do things no one's ever done before. Sure, you go to store, buy mushrooms in a jar, in a can. That's 2 cups of oil. I've been cooking for more than an hour. That's a cup of shiitake mushroom powder. I could cook it for another hour and it's going to look exactly the same. But there is so much flavor in that right there. Amazing, right? White mushrooms turned into that. Look how fast all the oil disappears. It's like magic. Amazing, right? Once it cools, the mushrooms reabsorb the leftover moisture. Do you want this or that?